Please get ready for a dictation of transcription number 100 from Sir Kailash Chandra magazine. 5 seconds. Start. Sir, it is usual in all parliamentary systems of government for the president at the opening of a session to address both houses of parliament. It has been criticized as being merely a narration of facts which have happened during the past year, but that is the usual thing, as honorable members know, which happens in most of the parliaments which work under parliamentary systems of government. I am sure that the honorable members are aware that India has always stood for peace, and ever since her independence has done what she could to preserve peace in the world, both in Korea and in Indo-China. Our efforts led to a ceasefire, and for the first time, with the settlement of the Indo-China problem, there was no shooting war anywhere in the world. But now again there are war clouds, especially in the Far East, as has been emphasized by the Prime Minister time and again. Patience and tolerance are necessary to solve the tangle in Formosa. Our government have recognized the Chinese People's Republic as the government of China, and have recognized the Chinese claim to the Cairo Declaration. If the Cairo Declaration is to have any value, then it is fairly certain that Formosa is part of China, but at the same time, one cannot forget the fact that things have got to be tackled patiently. If this problem of Formosa is to be solved in a peaceful manner, that will take time, and it is towards that end, I am sure, that our Prime Minister is working so that there will be no clash in the Far East with regard to the question of Formosa. This has been prominently mentioned in the address of the President. We hope that patience will be exercised by both the sides to solve this question, and there will be no incident which might lead to serious consequences. Our agreement with China on Tibet, which formed the basis of the joint statement by China's and our Prime Ministers regarding Panchshila, must form the main principle through which international tension can be eased and finally peace established. Stop.